Yeah.
Come on, sir.
What crime is that?
Sir, don't start. Let's just come on.
Listen, he said don't start. Don't start what?
Listen,
Don't start exercising our rights? Is that what you want to do?
Not in this building, sir.
Why not? It's a good...
When I'm
Tell me
done,
what to do. You're not my daddy. How about that?
let me finish what I was saying.
You can finish when I get done.
Bam! Take that. All right, it's CNC Tire Hunter.
We're at Robeson, Department of Social
Robeson County Social Services.
MC TYRANT Hunter. Rogue Nation.
Oh, temperature?
Yes, sir.
We got to do temperature, yeah?
Is that good?
Come to see.
We're just going to tell the public on the building for journalists, so we're doing a story on Robeson. All right, we got to get permission from our boss to let you in, okay? Okay. All right, get you to step out. Don't get to step outside. Don't get you to step outside. Well, we're good right here. Yeah, it's chilly out there, but yeah. That's it.
Y'all don't have to wait outside and get somebody approved for y'all being
Yeah, no, go ahead. We're fine.
outside.
Well, no, it's cold outside.
Sir, outside.
Oh, you can't touch, don't touch his equipment.
Well, you need to.
No hands on, there's no hands on, guys.
As long as we're on our side.
As long as we're not impeding the door, we're
Yes,
good.
sir, but we only allow one person at a time in here.
There's 50 people in here.
Sir,
one person
I
at a
mean,
time.
you need to get outside.
Come on, sir.
All right, I'll let him stay as the one person and I'll step outside. All right.
Sir,
You said one person.
You said one
you
person
take
can
your
stay.
equipment outside.
You said one person can stay in here though.
Outside with this.
Why?
Because.
Because what? You tell me the
You're
law on
not
that.
authorized to be in here.
What law was that, man? Is that a law that says I can't be here?
If y'all, if you weren't invited, I just told the lady you're not allowed to film.
We
allowed to film.
gotta be invited, public. Do you ask everybody if they invited?
We have to get it from upstairs.
Do you ask everybody that's in here if they invited though?
No.
Okay, why ask us?
I've had to call it from upstairs.
And to do what?
To see if y'all were allowed to come in.
Well,
It's
we're
a public
definitely-
building.
Yeah, we're allowed to come in. It's part of our rights as American citizens.
No.
Yeah, who do you think pays for this?
It's a government building.
Yeah, exactly.
Do
Yes, ma'am, I can hear.
you think the government has bake sales to pay for this building?
Eric's on his way.
Yeah, get somebody that knows what they're talking about.
Right.
Now we're getting the law.
The law? Oh no. Absolutely crazy. Somebody looking at us up there? Yeah, they are.
Is that Shania Twat?
I don't know what they are. There you
Is that
go.
a law?
Yeah, you got to have
What law is
permission.
that?
Without permission, you gotta go
First
outside.
Amendment, that's our
I ain't about the First Amendment. You cannot film it here without permission.
Who do I get permission from?
Just walk outside.
What law?
We'll work on that.
Okay, you have a supervisor?
They're coming, Just go.
Okay, come on, let's go
We're not
outside. Don't wait
giving
for
them
your
time.
supervisor outside.
Can't you get this bill with somebody?
Yeah, lieutenant or somebody knows the law.
Yeah.
Come on, sir.
What crime is that?
Sir, don't start. Let's just come on.
Listen, he said don't start. Don't start what?
Listen,
Don't start exercising our rights?
This is
Is that what you want to
Not in
do?
this building, sir.
Why not? It's a government building. We own this building. Hey, you don't touch now. Don't be touching. Don't be pushing. Don't be pushing.
You can't trespass. It's a government building, bro.
We have a right to go in there, man.
That right there is a tyrant. Right there is what that's called. Tyrant. All right, let's see if I can do it now.
All right, go wait.
Are you trying to go in? He said, let me hold it.
Yeah, right. Let me hold this. My ass.
What a...
We're filming.
We're catching tyrant.
Yep.
People that don't like citizens exercising their rights to free press.
Well, yeah, go ahead.
Yep, we're going to
Yeah,
do
you know,
it.
the people, they have a right to these buildings, right? And anyone can go in and record and they don't like it, right? They like to record you. but they don't want to be recorded. And you know, in this country, anything that you can see, you know, if you have a right to be there, you can record it.
Like free speech.
That's right. Exactly.
That's right. And press, right?
And went hands on.
What's your problem, man? Did you never read the Constitution
I don't
of the
have a
United
problem.
States of America?
Didn't you take the oath? Didn't you take an
Have
oath?
lost your head?
Sir,
Have you lost your freaking
No,
mind,
no,
like falling
they-
in a donut hole,
there's
tripped on a
people,
sprinkle?
there's people in here for court. They don't want their
So?
face all
I don't
over.
give two shits what
They got
got.
eyes.
The
Hey,
United States
they
of
got
America,
eyes,
man,
though.
the
If
free
you
press.
can't trespass
It's
the eyes, sir.
uncomfortable, you freaking idiot. You're supposed to not like it. When the government doesn't like what the citizens are doing, that's called freedom.
I understand that.
No, you don't,
do
because
you?
you pushed us out the building.
You put hands on, you
Hold on,
freaking tyrant.
let me explain to the
You have a
sergeant real
right
quick.
to go in there.
And he's a sergeant too?
You
Sheesh.
understand rights?
That's a tyrant right there, guys.
You have duties, man. You don't have any rights. We have the rights around here.
You don't get to make laws.
By the way, he just wanted the cops playing.
Yep.
If you'd let him talk, he'll cop splitting the shit out of it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. He's like, oh, don't start that. Don't start freedom. Don't
Right.
start that.
Yeah.
Hey, tell the sergeant to call this guy. Tell the sergeant to call that guy. Okay, Sarge. Sarge.
He ain't listening, Bo. He's a tyrant. That's what tyrants do.
Sarge, call this guy right here, buddy. Sarge, call this guy. Call that guy right there. I was just at his office.
She's waiting to see some action, man.
Yeah, exactly what she's doing.
I told him, I said, Sarge,
He's like, I don't know what's
call
going
this
on.
guy, Sarge. I was just at his office.
Right?
Your boss, call him.
Yeah, exactly. He's on the phone with his DA right now, or the city attorney, trying to figure out if they can make us leave from right here now. Watch and see what I tell you. Yo, hit that like button for me, guys.
Yeah, here, I'll give you one of,
Here, I got one.
you got a card?
Yeah. I'm live on YouTube right now.
I just subscribed.
That was
Oh, that's
me,
cool.
But his channel is a different.
That's mine.
Okay.
NC Tyrant Hunter.
He's live.
Yeah, he
right
said unlock it because we're allowed in. That's what he said. Yeah, he said unlock it because we're allowed in. Thank you.
Can I have one of your business cards, sir?
Yep, I'll
now.
give you
Ooh,
one in a
somebody
minute.
got educated.
Wow, look at that.
Wow. Whisper in his ear.
Yeah, let me get in the corner here and get out the
Sure
way.
to
That tyrant
possibly
got an
get ignorant.
education right there. That's the tyrant right there. And these two right here that put hands on, they just got an education.
Whispering in each other's ears is a bad look, man.
Yeah, we need both of you guys'
look like
name
you're conspiring against
We need your
people.
names.
It's disgusting.
so we can file a complaint. We need both of your names.
Your name. What's your name?
People coming in.
That door's free, man. Ain't nobody blocking that door.
Yeah, nobody's blocking. You go get the temperature check. Oh, the temperature.
So we can go on in there now.
Yeah.
I don't even know what mine was.
Oh yeah, we can go through.
Yep. I think we gotta empty our pockets and stuff out there.
Yeah.
I think I got mace in my pocket, so I can't go through there. I don't guess I can.
Yeah. I'll go through.
I got so much in my pocket. It's buffering now, so I got to step back outside. Sorry about that, guys. I went in the building and it started buffering real bad. Ain't got no signal in there. When we go into these buildings, we really just testing the guards that allow you. What's up, PD? We're testing guards. That's the main reason we go in, to make sure they understand we have a right to go in. We are news media, right? We have a right to go into these public, accessible government buildings. And they're talking to her. See, that's the tyrant right there, Pushed us out, literally pushed us out the door. We had Robertson County Department of Social Services, Robertson County, North Carolina.
That Sergeant Chavez just came and apologized to me.
Wow, where's the apology for me?
he didn't push you out, so I guess.
No, he didn't put hands on.
Yeah.
See, his damn boss told him he better not fuck up no more. Is what happened.
Yeah.
Did you hear that,
That's
guys?
exactly
Push
right.
harder. Push harder.
I've
Got
never
an
had a
apology.
cop just, I don't think, maybe once.
But I mean, literally pushed him out the door. Like pushed. Like.
Yeah, the people win again.
There you go, baby. Yep.
All right, guys. I went through the whole building. No problems. They're educated.
Yep. There you go. That's a win, baby.
It's a win.
So Rogue went through there. I didn't go in because I got mace in my pocket. And I got a lot of other shit in my pocket too.
We only need one to go in.
Yeah, right,
It only
right.
takes one to complete the education.
Yep.
Yeah.
So, thank you guys for being here, man. I appreciate that. That's Rogue Nation right there. Captain Awesome.
Major.
Major.
I
Oh,
got
okay.
I got a
Press
promotion.
now.
Oh, majorly awesome.
And press harder.
Press
baby.
harder.
Yeah.
Keep on pressing, baby. That's what we do.
Bam! There you go.
Bam.
He's got a phone up by his face. Once he finished that, give him a bam.
Huh?
He gave him a bam.
What do you mean?
A bam.
Oh yeah, I flipped him up.
Really?
Oh yeah, so if y'all talk to Tyrant Hunter, tell him I did my clip. He has to play it.
The bam.
The bam. He has to play it now. He said.
Mark the time. That was bam.
Tyrant Hunter.
You don't tell me what to do. You're not my daddy. How about that?
Let me finish what I was saying.
You can finish when I get done.
Bam! Take that. Thank you guys for hanging out, man. I love all you guys. Make sure you hit up my store. Get some Tyrant Hunter merchandise. Hit that join button. Y'all have a good one, and always remember to keep those cameras rolling, baby.